Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Cordless upholstery and carpet cleaner 20 volt from Silvercrest. Parkside battery not included. You can use the Parkside batteries 20 volt 2 ampere hours or 4 ampere hours and of course and the professional batteries. For easy cleaning of carpets, upholstery, stairs, mattresses and textiles. No power cord, 200 watts the power with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. You have the manual. I like the handle. 2 handles. I'm sure here we have some accessories. Left and right, just pull to remove the cover. The grease nozzle for spray extraction. You can connect here at the front, at the spray suction hose. And it locks. To remove, press this button, pull to remove. Seal it very well, it is very tight. Upholstery nozzle for spray extraction with brass at the front. Transparent look here. And you can connect and that here. And of course we have in the button. It is the spray button. The spray nozzle is here. I will show you how it works. This is the fresh water tank, max capacity, it says here. And here we have the dirty water tank, max capacity. 1300 ml it is for the waste water, the capacity, and 1700 ml for the clean water. Here you can connect the hose. Press and it locks. To unlock we have this plastic here, just press. Pull to remove. Silicone pads at the bottom, ventilation. It will stay very secure at any surface. Here we can see how it looks inside. We have the ports for the waste and the clean water. Now you are wondering where you can install the battery. Pull the cover. And here you can install the battery. You can use the 4 ampere hours professional, as I mentioned, or the 8 ampere hours professional. Let's see if it can fit. Yep, without any problem, perfect. The larger battery, 8 ampere hours. Pull to remove. I will use the 4 ampere hours. No problem, definitely it can handle that. The recommended battery for use, it is the 4 ampere hours, the regular battery. Here we have the battery level indicator, the on-off button and the charging socket. Now where's the charger? The charger, it is at the waste tank. Pull these plastics left and right. Remove the cover. Here we have this system and this sponge at the top, silicone rubber around, seal it very well, and here at this hole, nope, there's no charger inside. Okay, I thought the charger was inside here, but I don't see any charger. Let's see what is that. We have one screw, and this is for the hose holder. You can install that here, and it will keep the hose for storage. Now let's install the holder with a screw. Now honestly, I don't know why they have this port for charging the battery. You know, the Parkside batteries, you can charge them with this charger. If you have Parkside tools, you know that. So let me know why this port, and where is the power adapter? Not included, definitely. So let's put all inside here. You can see it's very easy to remove. Perfect. So easy. And of course you can install and the cover for the battery. Beautiful. Connect the hose here, and here we have and the hose holder. Pull that, I will show you. Okay, that goes here. Pull this plastic for the hose, remove this. Somehow you can store it, all the unit, and you can have these accessories inside the container. Always empty the water from the container for the waste and the clean water. Now let's fill up with water. And start cleaning. See how it works. To turn on, press the on off button. You can see the battery capacity. And here we can see some stain from mustard, ketchup, milk. Wow, so much. And here it is the spray. We can see the water. Spraying all the area. And with a brush you can clean. Now for better results, you can even insert detergent inside the clean water, a small amount. Let me show you. shake it a little bit. That is nice. Is a versatile and portable cleaning tool designed for tackling stains and dirt on upholstery, carpets and other fabric surfaces. It is ideal for quick cleanups and spot cleaning, offering convenience and efficiency for home and car use. Benefits of the cleaner: portability, no cords mean you can use it anywhere, whether in your home or car. Easy of use, lightweight and ergonomic design make it user-friendly. Efficient cleaning, adjustable spray nozzle and powerful suction ensure thorough cleaning. Versatility, suitable for a wide range of surfaces, including upholstery, carpets and car interiors. Cost-effective, offers good performance at an affordable price point, €79. The clean water, and the waste. Who is it for? Homeowners, ideal for quick cleanups and spot cleaning on upholstery and carpets. Car owners, great for cleaning car interiors and removing spills. DIY enthusiasts, perfect for maintaining a clean and a tidy home or car. And that's a wrap on our review of the Silvercrest Cordless Upholstery and Carpet Cleaner 20 volt using the Parkside batteries. This versatile and portable cleaner is a game changer for anyone looking to keep their carpets, upholstery and even car interiors spotless. With its cordless design, powerful suction and easy to use features, it makes cleaning quick, efficient and hassle-free. If you are someone who values convenience, efficiency and a cleaning home, this cleaner is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for anyone who wants to tackle spills and stains with ease. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more cleaning gadget reviews, home tips and lifestyle hacks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, keep your spaces clean, keep your life simple and I'll see you in the next video.